And welcome back. All right, so now it's time for us to take a look at the implementation for the ProcessBundle method.
Right, now the ProcessBundle method is going to take in a path, and what it's going to do is it's going to check our asset list and make sure that there are assets in there that need to be processed. It will then take the path and build out a bundle name, a bundle path, and it will call BuildBundle. So let's go ahead and put the logic in real quick. Basically, we're going to check our asset list or assets list and make sure that there's assets in it. So we're going to check the count and make sure that the count is greater than 0. So if our count is greater than 0, then we can do a couple of things. First is getting the bundle name. What are we going to name this bundle? That will be our Unity path. Unity path dot substring Unity path dot last index of. So we're basically once again looking for the end of our entire string to figure out what it's going to be. So we take that Unity path, and because this would be a folder, we're going to base that off of the folder name. So we're going to find that the last folder, add 1 to it, so we don't include the backslash or the /, and then to that we're going to append our .unity3d. So that's why I didn't put that in the other part way up here. Or yeah, why I added it here and didn't build it into part of the bundle name, because we're going to add it here. So now we're going to take our bundle path. So let's take this, rename this the bundle path. So we're going to take our bundle path that we pass in. We're going to say directory.get current directory. Then we're going to add double backslashes, followed by our bundle path dot replace, once again stripping off the assets /, and then once we've got that, we want to replace all occurrences of a single / with a double backslash. So we're basically taking what Unity is used to for their pathing and putting it into something that the system I/O is happy with and knows how to work with. From here, we can then call BuildBundle, which I believe is the first time that we're implementing this part. So BuildBundle will call or pass in our bundle path and our bundle name. Go ahead and skeleton that in. And we'll get back to that. So basically, what we're going to do is loop through our get assets. What I was kind of stumbling over is the fact that this ProcessBundle is going to happen in a way depending on whether or not we're building a monolithic or if we're building individual files. We're going to build or add every file to our asset list here, and then we're going to process our file potentially if we're not building a monolithic, which means we have to iterate through each of those assets. Now, based off of just the way this is, you would think that the ProcessBundle would take all of the assets and build one bundle based off of that. But when we come in to BuildBundle, we'll deal with taking those assets and breaking those down into their own individual asset files. And if I'm right, I believe that happens in the next video.
That is correct.
So that's pretty much all we need to do for this one, and we will flesh out our BuildBundle in the next video.
Sounds great. Thanks a lot, everyone.